let's do a search for Google Advanced Search. And let's see, it says that. And there it is. So there we go. We're using Google to find stuff on Google. Gotta like it, right? I just look for advanced search. Here, let me go ahead and actually give you guys the URL. There we go. And this just gives you another way to organize things, right? You'll see here, you can find pages with all these words or the exact word or phrase. Notice they're saying this is how you do it in the search box. If you want to find this or that word, miniature or standard, for maybe looking for poodle, right? So you can type that in the or. You can also put things you don't want. You can put minus rodent, minus Jack Russell. So you say, I don't want a rodent, I don't want Jack Russell. So the minus sign says, hey, show me everything that has this information, but not this other thing, all right? So you can do that. You can also choose languages or regions, when it was last updated. You can even do things like usage rights. Usage rights are great because they allow you to pick images that may have the right to be used, shared, or even modified, even commercially. So this can give you some ways, you know, we always say don't steal images off of Google Image, but you can actually search for images that are okay for you to use, share, or modify, even commercially, okay? So there's some really cool things that you can do here. If we were to come back into the tools, one of the other things I really like a lot is under any time is to look at the different time frames, right? So if I wanted to find information about core web vitals, okay, which is something new Google's putting out. If I do that, right, I may see pages that go back, you know, here's March 15th, November 10th, 2020, right? And the biggest problem that you're going to find with doing anything from an SEO perspective is if you're looking for information, you want to make sure you're not looking at old information. Stuff that's a year old could be crushing you now if you did the same thing, okay, as you know, back then as you do today. But what's nice with this tools button here, under any time, I can say, hey, show me for the past month. And now all the information I'm going to get is just within the past month. Okay, so this is really helpful because it can help you find information right now. In fact, so I'm in Tampa area. We just dealt with Hurricane Elsa, right? Let it, what is it? The frozen thing. Anyway, let it go. If I put to that, and then I go back to tools, and instead of past month, I say past 24 hours. Right now, 18 minutes ago, 52 minutes ago, 8 hours ago. If I look further down in this options here, again, 1 hour ago, 24 hours ago, 16 minutes ago. Okay, so now I'm looking for things very specifically and right now. But if you don't know this is existing, you're going to just be looking and digging through other stuff. So these tools can be really, really helpful for you. And when you get to these other search settings, let's do that. I think that's at the bottom. No, don't have the settings here still. Okay. Well, we're going to go in and say search settings. Let's try that. There it is. Nope, that's for India, though. I don't want the India one. That's weird. Let's see if I can find this for us. There we go. All right, I'm going to give this to you guys in chat again so you have it. And here we can do things like turn on or off safe search so you don't get any inappropriate content, for example. You can change how many results you get per page, right? So I'm going to leave it at 10. It'll be faster, but you can say 30 or 40 pages or 40. So if you always want to look at what's in the top 30, you can pick 30, and now you can see from the top 30. Of course, most of us don't ever know that or change it, so we can just leave it at the 10. But, you know, you can do autocomplete with trending searches. You got Google Speak to You with answers. You can open up each result and search in a different window and leave the search behind as opposed to replacing the search that you've done. So this is really kind of cool. This would be signed and saved wherever you log into your account, whether it's your phone, whether it's on a desktop computer, or you're on maybe someone's laptop you're borrowing and logging into your account. You'll see the information there as well.